I just got my Boxycharm in, and you guys know what that means. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the November Boxycharm subscription. This is a $25 a month subscription where you get 5 full-size items from some amazing brands, you guys. The theme of this month is harvest, so we have a lot of products that are going to make you fall ready. So I did a full face look incorporating products from this month's box. I used all the products in the box, and I'm so excited to show you guys my tutorial. The one product that I was super excited about was the Natasha Denona Peak Palette. I showed you guys a sneak peek of this last month. Did you guys check out this video? Full swatches, review, everything. This palette is amazing. I had so much fun doing another look with it, and I also got to feature products from Joye, I think I'm saying that right, as well as a brand I never tried before called Helios. So I was so excited to bring you guys this review and tutorial, so check it out.
I'm so excited to show you this month's Boxycharm. This is the November Boxycharm for 2020, and Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription where you receive 5 full-size items for $25. It's super convenient, and I love that these boxes are always on trend and perfect for the season. This box is a harvest theme box, so that means that all these products are perfect for fall. The first product I'm showing you guys is the Natasha Denona Peak Palette, which is a 5-pan palette with fall essential shades ranging from matte to metallic. This is worth $48, and I'm using the medium shade all over the lid, followed by the darkest shade on the outer V. These shades blend like butter. They are heaven to work with. I loved filming with them last month, and I'm even more excited to be filming with them this month. I'm doing a very autumn leaf inspired eye look that's just a little bit smoky. I'm going in with that metallic shade, which is so smooth. You can use your finger to apply it. You don't even need a brush. You don't even need to wet your eyelid or use any primer. This look has no primer, no moisture, nothing. And this is just applying so pigmented, like right out of the pan. Off screen, I've applied some lashes. Now I'm going to be going in with some skincare. This was in the box. This is a product I've never tried before, and it's the Earth Harbor Naturals Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule. So I'm applying this like I would a serum, applying it all over my face, gently rubbing it in, and patting it on as well to really push the product into my pores. This is worth $48 as well. I'm following up with a lip product. This is from INT Cosmetics. It is a lip oil, and this is perfect for those who want hydration on their lips. It's worth $11. Then I'm following it up with the Joye Cosmetics Lip Enhancer, and this is infused with good-for-you clean ingredients. This is going to help protect your lips from the environment damaging elements and giving you lasting hydration. This is worth $17. Lastly, I'm just finishing up my eye look with Audiography Eye Pencil Duo. I'm using the brown colored pencil on my waterline and lower lash line. Super smooth. It contains coconut oil, so it really just glides on, and this is worth $16. I'm also going in with that dark shade from the Natasha Denona just to smoke it out on the lower lash line. Again, you can use a brush or your fingers. You're going to have amazing pigmentation with this palette, and you can use this palette to highlight as well. The metallic shade really helps to draw attention to cheekbones, nose, and even the sides of your forehead around the orbital bone. Really helps give you a bright fall look. While this look only cost me $25, this look is worth over $150. You always get your money's worth with Boxycharm.
So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if this is something you would love to sign up for and you aren't signed up for Boxycharm already, head to my info section below, click the link and sign up for Boxycharm today. I think you guys are going to love it. The products are always seasonal, on point, amazing, high quality items from brands that I either know and love or brands that I've never heard of and that I grew up to love them. So check it out, you guys, and if you would like to learn more about any of these products individually, info section below will have all that information, as well as where you can purchase individual products. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like and leave me a comment. If you aren't already, please subscribe. If you want to learn more about Boxycharm, also you can head to my blog, www.thecosmoholic.com/blog. If you want to follow along on Instagram, you can check me out at Recycled Stardust for beauty and lifestyle, or at Fabulously Stardust for fashion and trends. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching.